We've got a bit of a different project today. It's the taps out of my brother and his wife's motorhome or trailer. Apparently they said it was leaking somewhere around the base. They put a new one in that they sort of said was made out of cheap plastic, but it's what they could get. So let's pop this apart and see if there's something obvious. This is a BK or BNK. Can't quite read the model. LM number 203120. We'll go see if I have a socket for this or a pair of pliers or something I can get in there to take this brass nut out. Looks like it's an 1.1/8 nut. I had to get out my half-inch ratchet and sockets. But whatever works. So the nut came out. See if that's the same Allen key as, yes it is. The Allen key fell out. Let's just thread that back in there so we don't lose it. Looks like a couple of Phillips head screws. So there's two O-rings there, but they're probably just for a little restriction when you turn it, swivel it, because they won't be holding any water pressure. So those are soldered in. Those come down, so they're not going to leak there. I wonder if that's the culprit. So that came out with this side facing. I think what I might do is just flip it over. See if I can get it to... Yeah, it fits back in. I might take a run over to the hardware store and see if they have any of those. Just going to have a look at it under the magnifying glass and see if there's anything obvious. So just back from Canadian Tire, I might have to take back some of the things I've said about Canadian Tire over the years. But this cartridge was a NSF61 and Peerless, which Canadian Tire carries, and I'm not an advocate or a frontman for Canadian Tire, by the way. They have a LT7061, which on the internet showed as, you know, the replacement one. So I had a good look at it in there, and it pretty much looked the same. What the heck is that? Yeah, the same locating pins. Same. Put that one aside so I don't put the wrong one back in. I want to clean this surface up a bit. Not really sure what to use. I got some citric degreaser, so there should be a... I'll rinse it out really well afterwards. But the citrus should help remove any... maybe help remove some of the hard water buildup or lime or whatever. I guess we'll know in a minute. I don't want to use anything too abrasive on it. Not sure what that stuff is. Some kind of sealer. I have a plastic brush. I don't know if... I don't want to use a metal one. Well, maybe took off some of it. I took a Scotch brake pad to it and just ran it over it a little bit. It took off some of that surface stuff, so just gonna go rinse this out really good and then put it back together. Okay, rinsed and dried. Just pop these screws back in. There's two holes up in there that orientate to the pins. And what was next? So this gets slid on so the tube will allow for the flex hose to go back down through the body. And in the back, this little set screw allows it to turn the distance of that little recess. As long as I don't drop it. So yeah, you can over tighten it. So it's made to go in so far. Okay, if you don't have a socket, you could probably use just a pair of water pump pliers. But if you take this ring off, slide that off, then you're able to get at this nut. That slides on. That spins on. Let me tighten this up just a bit. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, looks pretty standard, pretty simple. So this goes there. I'm just tightening the set screw. It feels right. pop in the little hot and cold indicator. It should be good to go. Clean this Teflon off of this. And should be able to feed it back through the faucet body. If I can figure out where it comes out. Might need a poker. I just got a chunk of coat hanger here. If I can catch the end of the... There we go. There. Hopefully good as new. Anyhow, that was a nice, fun, quick little different video. Different than fixing lawnmowers anyway, or building cat houses. Alright, hope you enjoyed it. Maybe catch you on the next one, and have yourselves a great day. Bye for now.